In this video, I will show you how you can fix the screen flickering problem on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to fix this issue, just perform a force restart on your iPhone. To do that, just grab your iPhone and press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold on the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and over here just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just go back one step and under the General Settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset, and from this menu, just tap on Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.